Medical Intuitive Tuesday, and today we're talking about the jaw and attention of the jaw and the jaw muscles, grinding teeth, tightness of your jaw. And as a medical intuitive and as a healer, seeing the jaw is emotionally burdened part of your body. It holds the things which you were maybe never allowed to say it. You clenched around in silence, and tightness is in a response of overwhelm. It locks when a body feels so trapped because we can't speak. And the jaw, the grinding teeth, is from suppressed emotions and unexpressed rage, the physical expressions of emotional imprisonment inside of you. I often see this in women who are raised in an environment where speaking out was punished, shamed or ignored, and especially in a strict or traditional European families where obedience was valued over the truth, where children were told, don't answer back. Be quiet. Speak only when spoken to. Does this sound familiar? And in worst cases, what I've seen over the years is about sexual trauma and abuse, where body didn't feel safe to fight, to scream, or to run. So the jaw becomes the warrior holding on the fight, clenching in resistance and grinding through what could never be escaped. Healing the jaw is not just about physical pain, it's about emotional, it's about ancestral, what was passed on from generation to generation, and giving a voice back and allowing expression. An expression from a heart, not from punishment, not from anger. So it's now your time to release that pain. Now it's time for you to express it and not suppress your voice and holding on to this pain.